Hi, I'm Stephanie Toms, and I'm back. I told you I was going to bring you interviews from people that I thought were positive. I think they are going to make a huge difference in your thought process, and these are based on facts. These are based on true interviews with people looking at what you need to help your children achieve to be a better person. Also, hiring managers, what you need to look for in the hiring process. First, I want to ask, what's your name?
Terrell Christie.
Awesome. And how old are you?
23.
Can you tell me what your name is?
My name is Quentin.
All right. And can you tell me your age?
I'm 28 years old.
I am curious, at what age did you have your first job?
I was about 15 years old. So I pretty much worked in like a cornfield for the summer. For my first job, I wanted a lot of money, and my parents said, we're not going to give you that money.
Right.
So if you want it, you're going to have to work for it, and that's what brought me to it.
My first job ever was like 14 years old. I baled hay a couple times and then just worked at a small restaurant in my town. Through what my mom started, I really learned that like there's no substitute for hard work. There's no way around it. So you have to do it at some point.
How long did you live at home, and what made you leave home?
I left home at 18 because I wanted to spread my wings. I was from a really small town surrounded by cornfields, and so I just used to dream about getting out there.
Looking for a job, what are some of the key factors that you're looking at when you're looking at an organization?
One is that I'd have the ability to kind of do something that I'm interested in, something that I think kind of highlights my best strengths. And then another thing is who exactly I'd be working with. I think that's probably a really important factor, because if you're not dedicated and really interested in the people that you're working with, it kind of makes the process not that enjoyable.
Do you view yourself as a different millennial than others?
It's really hard to say because there's good and bad in every generation. But yes, I am very much a millennial. I try to take all the good things that I've learned from the world that I was kind of given. But at the same time, there's so much to learn from previous generations. I've learned a lot from my previous bosses, and also to learn from the next generation, because that's ultimately people I'm going to be able to learn the most from, is the ones who are more in touch with technology and things like that.
Are you looking for promotion? Do you want to raise up really fast, or are you more interested in just the organic process?
I think I'm kind of more in the organic process. I'm not really, one that kind of tries to rush to make it to the top. I'm very much kind of aware that things take their time, and if I consistently do great work, I believe that good things will come to me, and that's just kind of a philosophy that I've always tried to stay with.
It goes back to you gotta trust the process. The hard work's inevitable, and sometimes you gotta take the stairs. So I'm gonna get where I'm going, and it's gonna be authentic, and it's gonna be my way, I guess.
We had 2 interviews with 2 gentlemen that are in Gen Z and Millennial, and both had exactly what I was looking for to prove my point, which is great work ethic. They worked from a young age. They all have respect. They don't need to go into a job and expect a promotion within 6 to 8 months. These are the kind of people that I want in my future. And as hiring managers, ask them about their life experiences, and you will get down to the bottom of it. Thanks for joining me today. And again, I always say, if you have a question or a topic, link below, let me know. Thanks.